Tired of fumbling for your wallet? Let's unlock the convenience of contactless payments by setting up Apple Pay on your iPhone. First, locate the Wallet app on your iPhone's home screen. It usually has a white background with colorful car icons. Tap to open it. If you haven't used Apple Pay before, your Wallet app will likely be empty. Look for the plus button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen, and tap it. You'll now see the Add Card screen. You have a few options here. You can choose to add a debit or credit card, or even a store card, if the retailer supports it. For this example, let's add a debit or credit card. Tap on debit or credit card. Your iPhone will now activate the camera to scan your card position. Your card within the frame on the screen. The iPhone will automatically detect the card number and expiration date. If the scan isn't perfect, or you prefer to enter the details manually, you can tap Enter Card Details manually. Fill in all the required information: your card number, expiration date, and the CVV code from the back of your card. Next, you'll be presented with the card issuer's terms and conditions. Read through them carefully, then tap Agree in the bottom right corner to proceed. Your iPhone will now contact your bank or card issuer to verify your card. This might take a few moments. You might receive a verification code via text message or email. Once your card is verified, you'll see a confirmation message. Your card is now successfully added to Apple Pay. You're ready to make secure and contactless payments at participating merchants and online. Enjoy.